exercise, it is in higher classes also. So first part of question number 1A is add 4 to 8 times a number. So what you will be write, let number be x. So we have assumed that number is x. So what 8 times a number means 8x plus 4. If you add 4 to 8 times a number, you will get 60. So this is my equation. So please write the equation.
Ma'am, done.
Okay. Now if I solve it, how I can solve? I can move plus 4 to another side. It will be minus 4. So I can write 8x is equal to 60 minus 4 is how much? 56. Then x is equal to 56 upon 8.
Ma'am,
8,
7.
8 sevens are 56. So you can say x is equal to 7.
Ma'am, done.
Okay. So let's start from the B part. Rakshita, is it completed?
No, ma'am, I'm writing.
Okay. Good evening, Garima. We are doing question number 1 of exercise 4.4. Its solution is written on the screen.
Ma'am, I have taken screenshot.
Okay, good.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, so let's start from the B part. 1/5 of the number minus 4 gives me 3. So how we will be doing this question? So in the question it is given 1/5 of the number. So firstly we will be writing let number be x. Okay, then 1/5 of the, then we will write ATQ. ATQ means according to question. So then I will be writing 1/5 of the number. So what does it mean? X upon 5. 1/5 of the number means x upon 5 minus 4 is gives me 3. So x upon 5 minus 4 is equal to 3. So do you understand this equation? 1/5 of the number minus 4 gives 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Now if I send minus 4 to another side, it will be plus 4. So 3 plus 4 is how much? 7. If you move this 5 which is in division to another side, then it will be in multiplication, or I can write x is equal to 7 5s are
135.
35.
Ma'am, done.
Yes.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, so please try see by yourself. Is it written, Rakshita?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, the B part.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am, it's written.
Okay, so who is ready with the C part solution? Okay, so let me do, if I take 3/4 of the number, so I will write let number be x. Then I will write according to question. Then I will write 3/4 of a number means 3/4 of x. 3/4 x and add 3 to it. I will get 21. 3/4 of a number, add 3, I will get 21. So this is my equation. Now solve it up.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, is the answer, ma'am? Ma'am, 24 x is equals to 24.
Speak again, Samraj.
Ma'am, is the answer 24?
Very good. Do tell me the solution. It is correct.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have written the first equation, and ma'am, then I have written 3 to the other side, which will be, ma'am, 3x by 4 is equals to 21 minus 3. And then it is 3x by 4 is equals to 80. And then I have written 3x is equals to 18 into 4. Then, ma'am, it is 3x is equals to 72. Ma'am, then I have written 3x is equals to 72 by 3, which is equals to 124. So equals to 94.
So this is how you need to do. When you move +3 to another side, it will be -3. So 21 minus 3 is 18. When you move 4 to another side, it will be in multiplication. And if you move 3 to another side, it will be in division. So just cut it, 3 6 are 18. So 4 into 6 is 24. Galima, are you able to understand this question?
Yes, ma'am.
So those who have completed C, they can try D part. Rakshita written.
Ma'am, I'm writing the C part.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I see the answer of D1, ma'am?
Your voice is coming very low, Samraj. Please check your mic setting.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, now is it correct? Now is it okay, ma'am?
No, Samraj, I am not getting it properly.
Okay, ma'am, I'll just check it.
Rakshita, you speak once.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I can hear you properly.
Ma'am, now can you hear me?
Yeah, a little bit, not much. Okay, speak.
Ma'am, I know the answer of ma'am D part.
Okay, what is the answer?
Ma'am, it is x is equals to 13.
X is equal to 13.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just a minute. You are correct. Very good. So is it done? Can I erase?
Ma'am, I'm writing the last part. Just wait.
Write it fast, then we will proceed to the D part.
Yes, ma'am, done.
Okay, so when when I subtract 11 from,
And the answer for D1 is x is equals to 13.
yes, it is correct. Do you want to speak, Garima, how you have done?
No, ma'am.
Statements I am talking about. Let the number be x. Then I will write according to question. Twice means 2 times. And if I subtract 11 from twice the number, result is 15. So this is my equation. Now when you send minus 11 to other side, it will be plus 11, or 2x is equal to 26. Then when you send 2 to another side, it will be in division, or you should get x is equal to 13. Okay, please try E part yourself.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, the answer of E part, ma'am, is 22 by 1.
22 by 1.
Yes, ma'am.
22 by 1 means 22, you want to say?
No, ma'am, it is not, ma'am, dividing, ma'am. It is left with one remainder.
22 by 1 means 22, Samraj.
Okay, ma'am.
So you are getting 22 as answer?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, first it was, ma'am, in mixed fraction, ma'am. Then I have a total.
No, no, that is wrong. Answer is wrong.
Okay, ma'am.
Then, ma'am.
Okay, do tell me what is your answer, Garima?
Ma'am, I have written 26 upon 2 by 2 and my answer is coming x is equals to 13.
You are talking about D.
Yes, ma'am.
D, I have done it on the screen. Yes, it is correct. Now I want to know about E part from everyone.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Samraj.
Ma'am, I think, ma'am, the answer is 19.21, ma'am, approx.
No, it is again wrong. Is it done? So I will solve it up. Munna subtract thrice the number of notebook he has from 50. He finds the result to be 8. So first we will write let number of notebooks be X. Okay, then we will write according to question. Munna subtract thrice the number of notebook he has from 50. So I will write 50 first, minus thrice means 3 times X. 50 minus 3X is equal to 8. So Munna subtract thrice the number of notebook he has from 50. So 50 minus 3X. He finds the result to be 8. Okay. Now what I will do, I will move 3X to that another side. It will be positive 3X. Now I will move plus 8 to this side. It will be minus 8. So 50 minus 8 is 42. 42 is equal to 3x. Now if I move 3 to another side, it will be in division. So the answer is 14.
Ma'am, I have done in another way.
Speak again, Garima.
Ma'am, I have done this question in another way.
Okay, do tell me how you have done.
Ma'am, first I have written 3x minus 50 is equals to 8.
That is wrong. You should not write 3x minus 50. It is 50 minus 3x.
Okay, ma'am. Then the second one is 3x is equals to 8 minus 50. Then 3x is equals to 42. Then x is equals to 43 upon 3. Then
पहला इक्वेशन गलत हो गया ना गरिमा. फर्स्ट इक्वेशन इज रॉन्ग, फिर सारा गलत हो जाएगा. Why I am saying it is wrong? Because from 50 लिखा हुआ है, तो from के बाद जो लिखा हुआ होता है वो हम पहले लिखते हैं. So we will be writing 50 minus 3x, not 3x minus 50. That is wrong.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, what about Rakshita? You have also finished?
No, ma'am, I'm writing right now.
So others can try F part till Rakshita is trying writing E part. So is it written? So F part, what should I write as equation?
Ma'am, we will write ma'am x plus 19 divided by 5 is equals to 8.
Excellent, Samraj. So first you should write let number be x.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Samraj.
The answer of F part is 21.
You are correct. Very good. So can you tell me how you have done?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, first I have ma'am multiplied 5 by 8. Ma'am, x plus 19 is equals to 8 into 5. Ma'am, then it is x plus 19 is equals to 40. Ma'am, then I have shifted 19 to the other side, which will be ma'am 40 minus 19, and ma'am the answer will be ma'am 21.
Excellent. Very well done. Now let others write the solution. Those who have completed, they can proceed to G part.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Samraj.
Ma'am, can I tell the answer of G part?
Yes.
Ma'am, the equation is ma'am 5 by 2x minus 7 is equals to 23.
Equation is correct. So first I should write let number be x. Okay, then
Ma'am, it is ma'am 5 by 2x is equals to 23 plus 7.
correct,
5 by 2x is equals to 30.
correct,
5x is equals to 30 into 2.
correct.
5x is equals to 60.
You need not to multiply it, just leave it like this. Then you can say x is equal to 30 into 2 upon 5. So if you got 5 and 30, you will get 6. Then 6 into 2 is 12. You are correct. Very good. So why he has done, if he takes away 7 from 5 by 2 of the number. तो मैंने बोला था जो from के बाद होता है वो हम पहले लिखते हैं. So I will write 5 by 2 x minus 7. Take away means subtract. So how I will frame the equation? From 5 by 2 of the number, so it is 5 by 2x minus 7 and result is 23. So 5 by 2x minus 7 is equal to 23. Then we have solved it with the help of rules of transposition. So those who have completed G part can proceed to the second question. And anyone from you who did not understand any part of question number 1.
Ma'am,
Yes,
can you explain this part? This part of the question.
see 5x. Rakshita, if you move 2 is in division.
Yes, ma'am.
If you move it to other side, then it will be in multiplication.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So now if you like move 5, 5 is in multiplication. If you move 5 to other side, then it will be in division.
Okay, ma'am. So we moved 5 to other side and it became in division.
Yeah. And if you cut 5 and 30, you will get 6. So the final answer is 12.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Samraj.
Ma'am, is the answer of A part, ma'am, question to A part, ma'am, is X is the, ma'am, lowest marks is 14.
14 or 40?
No, ma'am, 14, 1 4.
14.
Yes, ma'am, 1 4, 1 4, 14.
No, this is wrong. So see how to do this question. A teacher tells the class that highest marks obtained by a student in her class is twice the lowest marks plus 7. And highest score is 87. What is the lowest score? So you will write let lowest score be X. Then according to question, if I take twice the lowest marks, so 2x twice the lowest marks means 2x plus 7. So twice the lowest marks plus 7, then I will get the highest score. So it is equal to 87. So how I have written this equation, is it understood to everyone?
Ma'am, I just made one mistake, ma'am, that I made plus 7 minus 7.
Okay. So when you send it 7 to another side, it will be minus 7. So 2x is equal to 87 minus 7 is 80. Now when you send 2 to another side, it will come in division. So you got lowest score as 40.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, please proceed to the B part who have completed A. So, okay, I'm ending this meeting and rejoining.